I've been doing this for over 50 years in every type of terrain, every type of weather, across every continent that I could find my way to. And for 50 years, I've had the same problem. Where do you put your pack? It sounds simple, right? But think about it. You stop to check your map, you stop for water, you need to dig something out of the bottom of your bag. So you put your pack on the ground, the dirty, muddy, or worse ground. You lean it against a tree and it tips over. You spend 5 minutes looking around for the perfect branch stub sticking out at the right height. The surfaces are everywhere. Every tree, every rock, every ledge. But there was no tool designed to actually use them. My name is Thomas Dunkerley. I am the CEO and inventor behind barqHook. I've hiked and I've biked and I've climbed my way around the world to places where most people only see in photographs. I've taken my family out on day hikes and I've dragged my gear through every type of terrain in between. I've also stood 30 feet from a charging bull elephant in Kenya. He was stomping and bellowing and doing everything he could to try to convince me to leave. Fortunately, it was a bluff. The point is, I've spent my whole life outdoors carrying gear and solving problems. That's not a resume, it's just how I live. The idea didn't come to me on a mountain. I was in my workshop one afternoon, looking down at a bunch of spare parts, and I saw a bent wire hanger. It took maybe 2 seconds to connect that shape, that unique curved point, with a lifetime of frustrating moments trying to find a place to hang my pack. The surfaces were always there, the trees, the rocks, the ledges. What was missing was a tool specifically designed to grip and engage those surfaces. That was the beginning of barqHook. This is barqHook, 13 grams of hardened stainless spring steel. This is the heavy duty version, rated to 40 pounds plus. It loops onto itself, creating a semi-permanent attachment point for any pack handle. Find your surface, engage, and done. Pack off the ground at the right height, fully accessible, takes 3 seconds. No more searching for the perfect branch stub. No more placing your pack in the mud. Any tree, any rock, any surface with enough texture to grip, that's now a hang point. barqHook is utility patent pending. It's been professionally engineered and it's been tested in real life conditions with real loads on real terrain. It's not just a concept. It's not a sketch on the back of a paper napkin. It's a fully functional, fully finished product that solves a problem everyone watching this video has experienced. I'm Thomas Dunkerley, and I built barqHook from the ground up. And I built it because I spent an entire lifetime wishing it existed. Now, let's go hang some gear.